So if you got a spree that won't start and you've checked everything, spark, you got compression, and you believe you got a clean carburetor and clean fuel, and you swapped them out with known good components to be sure of that, you might want to look at your Petcock. This right here. So on this one, it wasn't starting. Everything seemed to check out. But when I looked at the fuel just now with this clear line, as soon as I undid this valve, fuel started flowing. But it shouldn't, because without vacuum on this line here, coming from the motor, it shouldn't open up that fuel. But it came pouring out. So I'm going to do a quick test here to make sure that that's what the problem is. Because I suspect this Petcock is stuck open and all the fuel's flooding out, and that's why it won't start. So I got the valve forcibly closed. We don't have any fuel coming down. I'm going to open it. And then we got a lot of fuel pouring down with no vacuum on that line. Tells me that the Petcock is bad. So I'm going to let all this fuel drain out of the tank. And then change it out. Out there you can see we basically drained the whole tank with this Petcock without it even being running and no vacuum on it, so it's got to be bad. So here's the original. We've got another one here off of another spree. Hopefully this one's working. It's not off of a spree that's tested, but we'll give it a go. See if that will maintain fuel without vacuum. All right, so we got a new Petcock put on there and fuel back in the tank. And first test, we'll see without any vacuum, does the Petcock leak any fuel? So I'll turn this valve open. And we do not have any fuel. And then second test, I'm going to take this suction line and just suck on it here and get some vacuum there, and we'll see if that brings us some fuel out. There we go. And then let go of the vacuum and we stop, just like it's supposed to. So we got a Petcock that's working now and fuel flowing when it's supposed to, when there's vacuum on the bottom of it. And that's good. So it'll help us get this thing fired up.